there in about half an hour. So alright, see you then. Alright, so out at Mangakino, unfortunately no one's here. It's allowed us truck or tractor going by, so I don't know if you can hear me. Anyways, yeah, I don't mind. It's a nice drive out here anyways, pretty scenic. As you can see, the track's looking pretty good. But yeah, unfortunately can't ride it today as no one's here. Got Lake Mangakino over here as well. You can see that from the track, it's pretty cool to be out here. They normally have the wakeboard nationals, I think it is, during the summer. It's always good to check out, heaps of people, real popular. Yeah, anyways, plan 2, I'm going to go hit the spot up. It's probably a bit wet, but if not the spot, it's going to be wheelie practice. I'm keen on that anyways. Cool, catch you at the next spot. Alright, so just out at the spot now. Just going to have a walkabout, see how dry it is, or how wet it is. See if it's worth riding. It looks pretty wet. Gonna have a look anyways. Haven't been out here for a while. Doesn't look like it's changed too much. I've been out here or whatever. Interesting. What I'm standing on, it's actually pretty dry. We'll go to this first little hit and have a look at it. See what it's like. Doesn't seem too bad. Actually seems pretty solid. I'll be able to look at it. You can see it's been puddled in here. This wood's come up out of the dirt as it does. Feels pretty solid. I've brought the spade out anyways. I might just pack some of these jumps and actually give it a go. So I'll set up the tripod and get a bit of footage of that. Alright, check it out. So just packed in the hit, the bigger one, spot. Gonna set the camera up now, get a few clips. Still looks pretty wet, but we'll see what it does. Got a new front tyre. Didn't think there was much point in getting a rear tyre as I'm hitting this road, and also got a ramp plan for this place too, so but yeah, it's probably in the works somewhere. As you can see, the run-in's a little bit wet still. And it's a little bit wet. So I'll set that up now, see how it goes. Alright, so a little unexpected stop there, had to go grab a spark plug quickly. Just been into Tokoroa, got that sorted. Not sure if it's the spark plug or the cap wasn't on properly when I actually went to change it, so either or, it should work now. Just heading back to the spot, hopefully it's not going to rain. Have that camera set up soon. Alright, so I can see it's pretty fucking wet. Hit that other little hit a couple of times and wheel spinning in the mud, so this will be interesting. Alright, so basically loving the way the bike feels. New suspension is fucking on point. Still a little wet, casing it just though. I'd say in the dry, and possibly with a new rear tyre, clearing this no worries, and got the ramp on the way anyway, so stoked. I'm gonna set the camera up on a few different angles and hopefully clear it. Okay, so sent it, cleared the table twice out of that run. Pretty sketchy, you can see in the footage, or you've seen in the footage. I'll show you what I'm up against here. It's pretty wet. Jump probably needs repacking. As you can see, getting wheel spin on the road. And this big puddle I'm riding through. Yeah, all fun and games. Comes with the territory when you ride in the wet, but I'm having fun. Can't wait till it dries out and I've got the ramp here, but I'm going to set the camera up, just muck around the smaller stuff. Leave this for now, it's getting a bit sketchy, but yeah, good fun. As you can see, that's pretty wet. It's not too bad, but a little wetter than I'd like. When I get the digger in here, I might actually keep that a secret till I get the digger in here. But yeah, digger and ramp on the way. Plenty more of this footage, that's for sure. Okay, and I'll set the camera up. Alright, well, time to go clean up. Go give the bike a wash. It's loaded, I'm ready to go. Just come to grab the camera. Yeah, just practicing a few grabs there. No, it's only small, but yeah, fun. Always fun. Bike's feeling so good. I think the front tyre helps as well because it was in pretty shocking condition before I got it replaced. But yeah, all in all, good day, and hope you enjoyed it. Peace out.